why is now a great time to be generating leads on LinkedIn?
Well, obviously, we know what has happened over, the last year and people being home. But I do have some great statistics, and I'm sorry if I look down, but I can't memorize all this. But 80% of B2B leads are on LinkedIn, and there's been a 48% increase in LinkedIn activity, and that's in 2019, so 2020 has to be more. And there was a 75% increase in new and unique messaging in terms of messaging on LinkedIn. And it says that there are 90 million LinkedIn users that are senior level influencers, and 63 million of them are decision-making positions. So the people that, if you're in B2B, you want to be there and you want to find them. It's direct to their inbox.
I agree with that 100%. And I have the perfect example because I kind of started to launch at the end of 2019, and it was, in the beginning was crickets, but I think those stats are going to be so much more elevated after COVID in 2020, because like once COVID started, all of a sudden, people were a lot more receptive. They were a lot more interested in having a conversation, booking a call, whatever. So I think it's going to continue. We know it's going to at least continue, the greater part of 2021, just because we're still dealing with the pandemic and such. So I agree 100%.
Yeah.
So tell me about the client hunter method. That sounds intriguing.
Yes, it's so intriguing. Well, when I was talking to somebody about it who was helping me put this together, we said, well, what are you? And I said, I am a hunter. That's what I do. That's what I do best. It is when I wanted to focus on what I would do and how I would really be able to help people, it was all about the hunting piece. So I can teach people how to hunt. They have to know how to close their own business. But if I can get you to an appointment, I'm hoping that you can get that done and get some good clients. So the client hunter method is a series of starting with your profile, going to that, setting up the appointment. And it's all of the different pieces that you have to do, which is the profile, learning how to search, learning how to connect, and then messaging, and then setting up the call.